7-day meal chart to lose weight faster and easier. Shed weight with this 7-day meal plan. Are you ready to embark on a journey toward a healthier, more energetic version of yourself? This 7-day meal plan is designed to kickstart your weight loss journey while ensuring you feel satisfied throughout the day. Centered around high-fiber, low-carbohydrate foods rich in nutrients, this plan aims to keep you feeling full and energized while reducing unnecessary calorie intake. 1. Day 1, start with fruits. Kickstart your day with a burst of fruity goodness. Commence your morning with a medium-sized apple at 8 a.m., followed by a bowl of sliced muskmelon, karabuja, at 10:30 a.m. For lunch, savor a bowl of refreshing watermelon at 12:30 p.m. As the day progresses, enjoy a large mozambique or orange at 4 p.m., and indulge in a pomegranate salad accompanied by a cup of muskmelon at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with half a cup of watermelon at 8:30 p.m., ensuring hydration with 8 to 12 glasses of water throughout. 2. Day 2, a day with vegetables. Day 2 revolves around relishing the nourishment of vegetables. Kick off your morning with a cup of boiled potatoes at 8 a.m., followed by half a bowl of cucumber at 10:30 a.m. For lunch, indulge in a generous portion of lettuce, cucumber, spinach, and capsicum at 12:30 p.m. Snack on sliced carrots with a splash of lemon juice at 4 p.m., and savor a bowl of boiled broccoli and green peas at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with a refreshing cucumber at 8:30 p.m., while ensuring to maintain hydration with ample water intake. 3. Day 3, create a balance. Achieve a harmonious blend of fruits and vegetables on day 3. Commence your day with a bowl of muskmelon at 8 a.m., followed by a cup of pineapple or pear at 10:30 a.m. For lunch, relish a vibrant assortment of lettuce, cucumber, spinach, and capsicum at 12:30 p.m. Snack on sliced carrots with a touch of lemon juice at 4 p.m., and indulge in a bowl of boiled broccoli and green peas at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with a serving of cucumber at 8:30 p.m. 4. Day 4, magic of bananas and milk. Experience the benefits of bananas and milk on day 4. Kick off your morning with 2 bananas at 8 a.m., followed by 1 banana at 10:30 a.m. For lunch, indulge in a delightful milkshake crafted with 2 bananas, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, and a glass of milk at 12:30 p.m. Enjoy 2 additional bananas for your snack at 4 p.m., followed by another banana paired with a glass of milk at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with a soothing glass of milk at 8:30 p.m. 5. Day 5, benefits of brown rice. Day 5 brings in a nutritious addition of brown rice to your diet. Begin your morning with 3 tomatoes at 8 a.m., followed by a serving of half a cup of brown rice stir-fried with mixed vegetables at 10:30 a.m. For lunch, relish 2 tomatoes at 12:30 p.m. Snack on a bowl of brown rice at 4 p.m., and delight in 1 tomato paired with half a cup of sautéed vegetables at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with a comforting bowl of tomato soup seasoned with salt and pepper at 8:30 p.m. 6. Day 6, focus on vegetables. Day 6 continues the vegetable celebration. Kickstart your morning with 3 tomatoes at 8 a.m., followed by a serving of half a cup of brown rice cooked with assorted vegetables at 10:30 a.m. Enjoy 2 tomatoes for lunch at 12:30 p.m. Snack on a bowl of brown rice at 4 p.m., and relish 1 tomato paired with half a cup of sautéed vegetables at 6:30 p.m. Conclude your day with a wholesome bowl of tomato soup seasoned with salt and pepper at 8:30 p.m. Alternatively, you can replace your vegetables with 500 g of chicken spread throughout the day. 7. Day 7, nutrient-rich meal. On the last day of your weight loss regimen, emphasize nutrient-dense foods to conclude the week. Commence your day with a refreshing glass of orange or apple juice at 9 a.m. For lunch, opt for half a cup of stir-fried vegetables paired with half a cup of brown rice at 12:30 p.m. Indulge in a snack of a cup of watermelon accompanied by assorted berries at 4 p.m. Enjoy a comforting cup of soup at 6:30 p.m., and wrap up your day with another serving of brown rice and stir-fried vegetables at 8:30 p.m. Ensure hydration throughout the day with ample water to support your body's natural detoxification process. Why is diet important while trying to lose weight? Managing calorie intake is crucial for weight loss, making diet a cornerstone in this endeavor. It's often easier to reduce calorie consumption through dietary adjustments than to expend significantly more calories through exercise. While the 80-20 rule suggests that weight loss is primarily influenced by 80% diet and 20% exercise, the exact ratio may vary based on individual preferences and circumstances. How important is exercising in weight loss? Exercise is pivotal in weight loss as it contributes to creating a caloric deficit and provides various health advantages. Although dietary adjustments are more impactful for significant weight loss, integrating exercise with a nutritious diet surpasses sole reliance on calorie reduction. Exercise aids in boosting metabolism, preserving lean body mass, reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and mitigating the risk of conditions such as heart disease and certain cancers. Things to pay attention to while losing weight. During weight loss endeavors, it's vital to emphasize sustainable lifestyle adjustments over rapid solutions. Focus on portion control and opt for nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Maintain hydration levels and minimize intake of sugary drinks. Integrate consistent physical activity suitable for your fitness level and personal inclinations, incorporating both cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Keep track of progress, prioritizing holistic health rather than solely focusing on weight metrics. Ensure sufficient sleep to aid metabolism and regulate appetite hormones. Seek guidance from healthcare providers or join a supportive community to sustain motivation and accountability throughout your weight loss process. Why is losing weight important? Achieving weight loss is essential for overall well-being, as it diminishes the likelihood of encountering severe ailments such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and specific forms of cancer. The process of shedding extra weight not only enhances cardiovascular health and mobility but also amplifies energy levels, enriches sleep patterns, and fosters positive effects on mental health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.